All right, Nick from Cut Above is bringing the cat to the top. And on his way up, he's just dragging his blade, smoothing out my road. This is great. This is freaking great. And then when he gets to the top, he's going to use the masticator to chomp up all the little baby oaks and open up the view to the north, northeast, or northwest. Yeah, this is going to be nice. He's going to use that blade on the back just to scrape all the little baby manzanitas clean off the top up here. Then he's going to grind down all these oaks, open up the beautiful view to the north of the valley. It's going to be nice. Oh, this is fun. It's like waving a magic wand. Okay, just started using the masticator on the oaks. We're gonna go back and get the water truck in case he gets too close to the ground and gets a spark, but wow. That sucker's a serious grinder. Yeah. Okay, here's the first window cut. Nick and his cool toy here. He just took out all this little oak grove and opened up this view. Now we can look all the way up to Wairika. There's the hill behind the house, but the view up to Wairika is so cool. And all these trees are going to go and open up the whole view all the way out there. It's going to be so nice.